minutes, you've just caught me making a fresh pot of tea. Anyway, today, Refashionista Sherry is going to show you how to transform and upcycle a frumpy vintage nightgown into an absolutely adorable playsuit. Or is it a romper? Let me know down below. What are you calling it these days? Is it a playsuit? Is it a romper? I don't know. Anyway, Refashionista Sherry is going to show you how to make one of those today.
For this quick and easy, oh so adorable project, all you need is a vintage nightie that fits you loosely. Plus, if you already have a playsuit like this one here, you can use this as the template, and I shall link down below to the tutorial showing how to transform a maxi dress into a jumpsuit using a jumpsuit as a template, and you can just use that same method for this. But today I'm going to show you how to transform the vintage nightie into a playsuit using a pair of comfy PJ lounge pants here as the template. So you need your vintage nightie, your lounge pants, and your sewing gear.
Editing Sherry here. When you are searching for your vintage nightie at the thrift shop, make sure you get one that has buttons or a zipper so you can easily get in and out of your finished romper.
So now if you don't have a romper or a playsuit that you can easily use for a template, then you can still make this using this method. So basically you want to put your nightie on inside out, and to find where you want the kind of crotch gusset area, just kind of, you know, fold it between your legs like so. This is so attractive. And then you want to grab a pin, and because, I mean, if I stand up straight, that's super duper tight, so I'm going to go a little bit lower and pinch the fabric out. Just pin my pin there to mark the general area. Check that that's okay. Yes, that's nice. And now we can move on to the next step. So with the nightie still inside out and your pin in the position, you want to fold it in half lengthwise as evenly as possible, making sure that you have the underarm seams lined up, the side seams lined up as close as you can get it, and that it is definitely as smooth and wrinkle-free as you can get it. And I think you can see here is my pin mark, and now I am ready to grab my template lounge pants. So I now have my lounge pants, and they are also folded totally equally in half with all of the waistband, the side seams, the inner leg seams, everything lined up. And now I'm going to line up the crotch gusset area of the lounge pants with my pin, like so. Maybe do it a little bit lower just for safety. Okay, that looks pretty good. And now, because I don't want this to be kind of short-waisted, I mean, it's going to be kind of blousy and loose as it is, I think I'm not going to go by this waistband here. I'm going to cut a little bit lower from the waistband just to be extra sure that I'm not cutting off too much, right? I can always cut more if I need to. So I'm just going to cut out a kind of a gentle semicircle here, plus of course follow the line here to chop out the area that will make the legs of the shorts. Alrighty, it is looking as it should look. We have kind of this keyhole area looking thingy here. So we're going to leave this round keyhole opening, and right now we're just going to stitch straight down to create the bottom part of our shorts legs. Okay, so now I have the bottom of my legs all stitched together. Let's close up this ginormous hole in the center. Okay, so you want to flip everything over so you have the side seams now facing up. So you have one leg side seam facing up, the other leg side seam facing the bottom. And the easiest way to do that is to take these two
freshly stitched seams, pop them together, and then flip it over. Give it a good shake, shake, shake. Alrighty, so we have one of the side seams on the top, one of the side seams on the bottom, and if I grab this top leg, there we have the wonderful open crotch area. Now all we have to do is grab these sides here, like so, and create kind of a half moon shape, and then go stitch that together. Alternatively, and this is how I always like to do it, I grab one leg and I actually pop it into the other leg, making sure that those seams that I just stitched are lined up together, as well as the side seams. And as always, shake it all down. And then I simply go and stitch this kind of V shape together. So just along the V shape here. And look at that. That definitely looks like two short legs and a very lovely, perfect looking gusset area. Now, something you may run into if your fabric is very loose and airy like mine is here, is you kind of have this, I don't know what to call this, kind of a little nipple thing sticking out here when you stitch those V's together. And the easiest way to get rid of that is to simply kind of start just a little bit down from where it is sticking out here and just stitch a very gentle curving line up. Okay, so I've done my really quick stitch here. So now I am just going to chop off this excess nipple fabric. And sorted, solved. Let's flip it right side out and try it on. This is one of the most amazingly comfortable things I have ever made, ever, and I'm definitely going to be on the hunt for more of these loose and easy breezy house dress nighties, particularly ones with a zip in the front, because I think that would be a lot easier than having a fight with these decorative buttons here when you gotta go, you know? But still, this is adorable and fantastic, and it looks so awesome if it is belted and accessorized as well. So, I mean, this isn't just for lounging around the house. I'm thinking I'm gonna wear this outside as well. Do let me know down below if you're going to make one of these, and also, click the link and pop on over to my Gone Thrifting group and join me over there so you can share your makes and give out your thrifty advice to all of the pre-loved sustainable style divas that are in my Gone Thrifting group, and ask your own questions too. We're always ready to lend a hand with projects or ideas or just thrifty advice in general. So, as I said, link is down below. Pop on over, enjoy, you know, I'll see you over there. What else can I say? Oh yeah, if you haven't already, be sure to check out my fancy schmancy brand new playlists here on my channel. They are pretty much right at the top of, of my channel page, and you can just, you know, pick what you want to refashion, and I've recategorized all of the tutorials into specifics like tops and shirts, trousers and skirts, dresses and jumpsuits, jackets and outerwear. It is all there, all super convenient, so pop on over, enjoy, and again, join my Gone Thrifting group so you could share the fantastic things that you make. I love seeing what you guys come up with and how you kind of reimagine my tutorials. It is absolutely wonderful for me to see that. And as always, throw a like, you know, subscribe if you haven't already, and share, of course, share your favorite share your favorite I did it again. Share your favorite tutorials with your online circles, and let's get everyone living a more rockin' refashionista lifestyle. And until next time, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.